Are you looking for a simple way to earn extra cash without any effort? This video reveals an amazing free app that pays you just for using your phone. Discover how you can turn your downtime into earnings and start making money effortlessly. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of our awesome videos. I'm always dishing out cool and super effective ways to make some cash online. The best part? You can do this stuff from pretty much anywhere on the globe. And it'd be awesome if you could drop a comment below telling me which country you're tuning in from. That way, I can whip up some videos tailored just for your region. Now, let's get started. Discover the simple way to earn extra cash in your spare time. Introducing the Reward Buddy Cash Earning App, the revolutionary mobile app that lets you turn your downtime into easy money. With just a few taps, you can complete quick, fun tasks and get paid instantly. Whether you're commuting, waiting in line, or relaxing at home, this app empowers you to transform your idle moments into a steady stream of supplemental income. Imagine a world where every moment of entertainment translates into real rewards. That's exactly what Reward Buddy offers you. This isn't just another app, it's your gateway to a revolutionary way of earning while enjoying yourself. Think about it. You're already spending time on your phone, so why not make it count? With Reward Buddy, you're not just playing games, you're investing in yourself. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie craving action-packed adventures or a strategic thinker who loves cracking puzzles, we've got you covered. But here's the kicker. Every second you spend enjoying these games brings you closer to tangible cash rewards. It's not just about fun anymore, it's about smart entertainment that pays off. Why settle for ordinary apps when you can have one that appreciates your time and efforts? So, you want to know how to make some cash on Reward Buddy? I've got you covered. Here's the ways. 1. Surveys. You can fill out surveys about stuff companies want to know. These surveys cover a wide range of topics that companies are curious about, from product preferences and purchasing habits to opinions on current events and social trends. It's a simple way to share your thoughts and experiences, and in exchange, you earn rewards and incentives. 2. Offer walls. These are pretty cool. You can do things like sign up for services, try out products, or join promos. Just make sure you follow the instructions, or you might miss out on those sweet credits. 3. Quizzes. If you're into trivia, this one's for you. Play some quizzes and earn a bit of cash. It's not gonna make you rich, but hey, it's fun. 4. Gaming. This one's a blast. Download games, play them, and level up to earn credits. Just keep in mind it might take a while, and you might have to sit through some ads. 5. Daily rewards. Easy peasy. Just log in every day and claim your reward. It's like free money, right? 6. Referrals. Got friends? Get them on board. You'll score 100 credits for each buddy who signs up using your code. Plus, you'll keep earning a slice of what they make. It's like having your own little money-making army. 7. Promo codes. Keep an eye out for these bad boys. They'll hook you up with free credits, but you might need to do a quick task first. So there you have it. Give these a shot and see how much you can rake in. And guess what? Reward Buddy's got your back when it comes to cashing out. You can grab your earnings through PayPal, snag some Google Play credit, or even score Amazon gift cards. Pretty sweet deal, right? It's like they're giving you a buffet of options to choose from. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your leisure time into a rewarding experience. With Reward Buddy, you're not just playing games, you're playing smart. Join now and start turning your entertainment into real earnings. The choice is clear. Reward Buddy is your ticket to a world where fun and rewards go hand in hand. Now, let me ask you this. Didn't you find the content both informative and entertaining? If so, why not take a moment to show your appreciation? A simple thumbs up can make a world of difference to us. But why stop there? Your comment could spark a meaningful discussion. And by sharing this video, you're not just supporting us, you're providing value to others in your network. Think about it. Wouldn't you want your friends to benefit from this information too? And here's the best part. By subscribing and turning on notifications, you'll never miss out on our future videos. You'll always be ahead of the curve, armed with the latest insights. So go ahead, take action now, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your support doesn't just encourage us, it fuels our commitment to bringing you even more high-quality content. Don't miss out on being part of our growing community of informed viewers.